India, a subcontinent with a 5,000-year-old history. A land where history echoes itself with all its wonders in every piece of stone and every particle of dust. India is a land of enormous variety in the world. India is fortunate in possessing one of the world's extensive and fertile lands, where unique earthy roots, precious woods, aromatic spices, exotic flowers, balsamic resins, and scented grasses grow. India is blessed with plenty of sunshine and sunshine vitamin, that is vitamin D. But vitamin D has been taken for granted, and until recently, little attention has been focused on its important role for adult bone health and for the prevention of many chronic diseases. Now, the time has changed. With change in time, vitamin D has become symbolic of a great Indian paradox. India is now a home to a growing epidemic of vitamin D deficiency. Indians get enough of sun, but not sunshine vitamin. 94% of Indians are vitamin D deficient. Time has changed, so is the requirement of vitamin D. With change in lifestyle, smoking, obesity, increased air pollution, increased usage of sunscreen application has further increased vitamin D deficiency. It is important to know the facts that sunscreen with SPF 15 reduces vitamin D synthesis by 99%. Obesity causes 50% less production of vitamin D. Aging reduces vitamin D synthesis by 75%. Directly on human insulin gene and activates its action. Vitamin D gets converted to its active metabolite calcitriol. Calcitriol acts on vitamin D receptor of beta cells of pancreas and converts proinsulin to insulin and increases insulin release. Thus, vitamin D improves beta cell function, increases insulin secretion, increases insulin receptor, and improves insulin sensitivity. Vitamin D is a non-traditional cardiovascular risk factor. Vitamin D deficiency leads to twofold increased risk of myocardial infarction and cardiovascular deaths. Vitamin D deficiency is associated with 3 to 6-fold increased risk of developing incident hypertension. D improves vascular health. Vitamin D suppresses renin gene expression, thus prevents hypertension, heart attack, and stroke. Vitamin D prevents atherosclerosis by prevention of foam cell formation and arterial calcification. In the process of atherosclerosis, vitamin D prevents oxidized LDL engulfed by macrophages and thus prevents formation of foam cell and thus prevents atherosclerosis.